So Matt Taylor, project scientist, you have lived with Rosetta for how many years?
Only 3, but it's enough.
Okay. So what are your feelings about what's going to happen tomorrow?
It's mixed emotions. We've already done something fantastic with this mission, and we draw a very nice line tomorrow, probably a big line on the comet. I can't really describe it. Tomorrow is going to be really strange because we're coming to the culmination of all of this effort. It's going to be unique data we're taking as well tomorrow. We're going to get as close to the comet as we ever have with Rosetta. But also, afterwards there's no longer a Rosetta. So for the operations people here at ESOP, that there's no longer Rosetta, but for the scientists like myself, like me, we know there's still science to do. There's a lot of science, as you well know, and we're working within ESA and with NASA to make sure all of that science stays intact. We're going to archive the data so everyone can use it. And there's so much, people are saying they've only used 5% of the data, so there's so much more to do, and that's the future for Rosetta.
What do we know now that we didn't know before Rosetta?
That's a tough one, actually, to snapshot it like that. We were considering comets to be icy dust balls or dusty ice balls. Now we know them to be a completely different, a very complex, dynamic world. There's just more questions, basically. There's so many more questions.